Welcome to Advanced Calculations. Lesson 1, Session 1, Shadbala. Sixfold, Planetary Strength. Learn how Vedic astrology quantifies planetary power using 6 distinct measures. What is Shadbala? Think of Shadbala as a report card for each planet. In school, your overall grade comes from multiple subjects: homework, exams, class participation. Similarly, Shadbala, 6 strengths, evaluates each planet across 6 different dimensions and rolls them into one composite score. Parashara described this system in the Brihat Parashara Horaya Shastra, and it remains the most rigorous method for quantifying how powerful a planet really is in a given chart. A planet sitting in its exaltation sign might look strong at first glance, but Shadbala can reveal that it is actually weak in temporal or directional strength, nuance that surface-level analysis misses. The 6 components. Here are the 6 strengths that make up Shadbala, each measured in Virupas. 1 Rupa, 60 Virupas, Sthanabala. Positional strength. How well placed is the planet by sign, house, and divisional charts. This includes Ujkabala, exaltation strength, Saptavarga Jabala, dignity across 7 Vargas, Ojhayugma Bala, Ajhayugma Bala, odd even sign placement, Kendrati Bala, angular versus cadent, and Drekana Bala. Digbala, directional strength. Each planet has a direction where it thrives. Jupiter and Mercury are strong in the east, 1st house, Saturn in the west, 7th house, Sun and Mars in the south, 10th house, and Moon and Venus in the north, 4th house. The closer a planet is to its preferred direction, the higher its Digbala. Kalabala, temporal strength, time-based strength. Day-born charts favor the Sun, Jupiter, and Venus. Night-born charts favor the Moon, Mars, and Saturn. This also includes Year Lord, Month Lord, Day Lord, and Hora Lord contributions. Chestabala, motional strength, how fast or slow is the planet moving. Retrograde planets and planets near their stationary points get higher. Chestabala, because they appear to linger in one area of the sky, concentrating their influence. The Sun and Moon use a different formula based on their longitude. Nisargika Bala, natural strength, a fixed ranking that never changes: Sun 60, Moon 51.43, Mars 17.4, Mercury 25.71, Jupiter 34.29, Venus 42.86, Saturn 8.57. This reflects the intrinsic luminosity and influence of each graha. Dritbala, a spectral strength, strength gained or lost from aspects by benefics and malefics. A planet aspected by Jupiter gains Dritbala, one aspected by Saturn loses it. Minimum required strengths. Not all planets need the same total to be considered strong. Parashara gave minimum thresholds. In Rupas, Sun 5.0 Rupas, Moon 6.0 Rupas, Mars 5.0 Rupas, Mercury 7.0 Rupas, Jupiter 6.0 Rupas, Venus 5.5 Rupas, Saturn 5.0 Rupas. A planet that meets or exceeds its threshold is considered functionally strong. One that falls short may struggle to deliver its promised results, even if it sits in a favorable sign or house. The ratio of actual strength to required strength gives you the Shadbala Pinda, a normalized comparison across all 7 planets. Interpreting Shadbala in practice. Here is where it gets practical. Suppose someone has Jupiter in Sagittarius, own sign, in the 5th house. Surface reading, great Jupiter. But Shadbalaya might show Sthanabala, high own sign, angularish house, Digbala, low 5th house is not its preferred east direction, Kalabala, moderate, depends on day-night birth, Chestabala, low, if moving fast, near direct station, Dritbala, negative, if aspected by Saturn, the total might still be above the 6-point Frappa minimum, but not by as much as you would expect. This is the power of Shadbala. It prevents overconfidence in single-factor analysis. Quick check. Which Shadbala component measures strength based on the direction a planet occupies in the chart, e.g. East 1st House? Is it A. Sthanabala, B. Digbala, C. Kalabala, D. Nisargikabala? Take a moment to think. The answer is B. Digbala. Digbala is directional strength. Jupiter and Mercury are strongest in the east, 1st house, the Sun and Mars in the south, 10th house, Moon and Venus in the north 4th house, and Saturn in the west 7th house. Session recap. Shadbala is the gold standard for measuring planetary strength in Vedic astrology. It combines 6 independent measures: positional, directional, temporal, motional, natural, and aspectual, into one composite score measured in rupees. Each planet has a minimum required strength, and the ratio of actual to required strength tells you how effectively that planet can deliver results. In the next session, we will apply the same multidimensional approach to houses with Bhavala. Love this lesson? Visit astro.vedics.net/learn to continue the advanced calculations. Like, subscribe, and share.